The concept of management. The term management has been used in different senses. Sometimes it refers to the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. At other times, it is used to describe it as a function of managing people. It is also referred to as a body of knowledge, a practice, and discipline. There are some who describe management as a technique of leadership and decision making, while some others have analyzed management as an economic resource, a factor of production, or a system of authority. Various definitions of management. 1. Management is art of getting things done. 2. Management is a process. 3. Management is a discipline. 4. Management is an art and science of decision making and leadership. 5. Management is an art of increasing productivity. 6. Management is an integration of efforts. 7. Management is a group of managers. Development of management thought. The evolution of management thought is a process that started in the early days of mankind. It began since the period man saw the need to live in groups. Mighty men were able to organize the masses, share them into various groups. The work sharing was done according to the masses' strength, mental capacities, and intelligence. Schools of management thought. The schools of management thought are theoretical frameworks for the study of management. Those discussed include 1. The classical school. The classical school of thought was premised on the idea that people have free will in making decisions, and that punishment can be a deterrent for crime, so long as the punishment is proportional, fits the crime, and is carried out promptly. 2. The behavioral school. The behaviorist school of thought maintains that behaviors can be described scientifically without recourse either to internal physiological events or to hypothetical constructs such as thoughts and beliefs, making behavior a more productive area of focus for understanding human or animal psychology. 3. The quantitative or management science school. According to R.M. Hodgetts, the quantitative school, which is also called management science school, consists of those theorists who see management as a body of quantitative tools and methodologies designed to aid today's manager in making the complex decisions related to operations and productions. 4. The systems school. The systems school focuses on understanding the organization as an open system that transforms inputs into outputs. This school is based on the work of a biologist, Ludwig von Bertalanffy, who believed that a general systems model could be used to unite science. And lastly, 5. The contingency school. The contingency school of management can be summarized as an "it all depends" approach. The appropriate management actions and approaches depend on the situation. Managers with a contingency view use a flexible approach, draw on a variety of theories and experiences, and evaluate many options as they solve problems. The process of management. Management process is a process of setting goals, planning and/or controlling the organizing and leading the execution of any type of activity, such as a project management process, or a process management process, sometimes referred to as the process performance measurement and management system. Management functions are as shown in figure 1. Planning. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. Planning requires that managers be aware of environmental conditions facing their organization and forecast future conditions. 2. Organizing. A second key function of managers is organizing, which is the process of coordinating and allocating a firm's resources in order to carry out its plans. Organizing includes developing a structure for the people, positions, departments, and activities within the firm. 3. Staffing. In management, staffing is an operation of recruiting the employees by evaluating their skills and knowledge before offering them specific job roles accordingly. The staffing model refers to data that measures work activities, how many labor hours are needed, and how employee time is spent. 4. Directing. Directing is said to be a process in which the managers instruct, guide and oversee the performance of the workers to achieve predetermined goals. Directing is said to be the heart of management process. And 5. Controlling, also referred to as change management, Control management refers in a management context to setting standards, measuring actual performance, and taking corrective action. An easy way to summarize the steps of control management is like this: actual performance as compared with planned performance. Management and administration. Management is a systematic way of managing people and things within the organization. Whereas, the administration is defined as an act of administering the whole organization by a group of people. In other words, management is an activity of business and functional level, whereas administration is a high-level activity. Management means getting the work done through and others. It refers to execution of decisions. Management decides who shall implement the administrative decisions. Administration deals with formulation of objectives, policies of organizations. Relates to decision making. It is a thinking function. Management decides who shall implement the administration decisions. Administration determines what is to be done and when it is to be done. Administration refers to the higher levels in the organization.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.